you can see it in the way I dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Kevin and his government coming back at you. We got another vlog set up. We're starting off from where the last one picked up. We're gonna do something a little different. We're looking for some peoples to do some things. Look. What were you on the live? Who's live? We trying to peep.
That nigga swinging 6 cars deep.
Where they at? What's that street?
I can't see. It don't look like San Jose though. I don't know, maybe it is.
Lemon Street.
Got good ass eyes. I got glasses on to can't see that.
As y'all can see, that's the Mac. Oh yeah, so he's with these niggas. Lemon Street. They're right up the street over here. They're right up the street over here. Lemon Street is right over here.
That guy that he looking for is over here?
Yeah, Lemon Street's right over here.
So that's all the stuff that we hear?
Yeah, that's what we was hearing. So anyway, as you can see, we still got my OG with me. He's using technology to get his, you know what I'm saying, on. And then we got the other OG with us.
Email.
You know what I mean? So, man, look at the drip check on him, though. Put the light on him, man. Put the light on him. Look at the drip check.
However, I stay Gucci down to the sock.
Man, head to toe with the red and greens. What's really going on?
If any of y'all see me in the Cars and Coffee tomorrow with the same thing on,
They ain't even gonna see this video until the Cars and Coffee, man. Y'all gonna see him out there.
I just put it on tonight.
Yeah.
So officially I'm, allowed a full 12 hours.
Yeah. Hey, what did OT Genesis say?
Everybody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck.
So we're really gonna roll this into the next morning because it's actually a little bit past 10 or 11. Oh shit! Damn. Oh yeah, man. He a night owl, y'all. We're going to go look for people that want to bother people. It's going to be one of those kinds of nights. So, a lot of people in videos, man, they be acting like he's out here hunting for people. He just be rolling. People be trying to run up on him. Just on his way over here, he tried to get raced by a few Dodges. It just happens when you rolling in one of the baddest motherfuckers on the planet for Mustangs, pony cars, which this is a very, very, very prominent sports car. So we out here, he's out here. Boy, again, this scary, but we're gonna do things with it. And then the last bike that y'all saw that I was on when he raced Mike, I couldn't keep up with them at all. But this is a whole nother beast. This is 234 horsepower. Is a hell the fuck you think is going on. And I think if any motorcycle is going to be able to keep up with fast freeway pulls, it's going to be this one. So
it's going to be this one.
It's going to be the 600RR. So we're just going to go out and about and just see what we can see. They was just like having the craziest sideshow. We're going to go try to find where that's at. Alright, so we outside, we found the sideshow, but we don't want to get deep in it, you know what I mean? So we just kind of hanging around the outskirts. Yeah.
I hear them.
They right there. That's them. This shit is insane. Yeah. So them niggas just got major busting at each other. They're actually still shooting. I mean, we was already out the way, but these niggas is crazy. God damn.
That's that shit cleared out.
Everybody running. Hey.
Good.
They still shoot. These niggas is nuts. Let these niggas run into each other over there. We're gonna cut down magazine.
Which one's the magazine?
Back this way. But look, now hold on. See, these niggas is hitting too many cuts. Oh, see, there's about to be some accidents. We're gonna head down one of these neighborhoods. Yep, follow me. Yeah, hold on. We gonna chill for a second, cause these niggas is bugging.
That's my worst fucking nightmare.
Just randomly getting shot?
I have dreams about this shit.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about it. I was like, why am I standing up while these niggas is running by shooting? They're literally, as we're chilling. Oh, there go undercovers right there.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I seen this video.
I let that motherfucker take me for a drive on my Z. That motherfucker got the freeway, sideways, and all that. I'm looking at the ice plant. We're gonna run them. Kill your tires.
I was supposed to have him do a first impression video.
Okay.
I was supposed to have him do a first impression